So 2024 is coming to an end. So thank you so much for all your support, the subscriber growth, the monthly donations from Ko-Fi and YouTube. Y'all really help be able to make the videos. So I got a lot of new content coming for 2025. I got a Zima Cube in the mail, so I'll be doing content on it for 2025. So I just wanted to say thank you for all the support. And I've been doing YouTube for, I think, 1 year and 6 months. So I think I've grown pretty good. And I started the channel for actually helping people in technology because when I was starting tech, there wasn't much out there. I wanted to really go over a step by step and actually show people how to do it and not leave anything out. So I think I accomplished a lot in 2024 and look forward to 2025. So if you stayed for that highlight reel, thank you very much. And thank you for the support. And I look forward to 2025.